Hi, this is Scott Whitwam with AZ Renovation. Welcome to our showroom that we've opened up here in Gilbert, Arizona, the AZ Renovation Showroom. We are just west of McQueen off Elliott Road. In here, we have all of our kitchen, cabinets, countertops. We've got accessories. We've got all the Rev-A-Shelf products, our flooring. We've got tile. This is a place where you're thinking about renovating a kitchen, maybe a master bathroom, maybe you're thinking about building an ADU. This is where we want you to come to our design center. We can talk about the cabinets, the paint colors, the outlook, what the floors are going to look like, and get you started. We spent a lot of time putting this renovation showroom together, and we continue to expand it. It is continuing to grow, but we'd love to have you come in and see what your options are. We believe in quality of product, quality of service, and quality of final delivery. So we'd love to see you. AZ Renovation Showroom, Gilbert, Arizona. Again, just west of McQueen Road off of Elliott.